In a commercial space, clean air matters, for employees, customers, and your business. Over time, dust, debris, and contaminants build up inside commercial air duct systems, affecting air quality and HVAC performance. Businesses in Allentown, Pennsylvania, rely on PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning for professional commercial air duct cleaning. Our experienced technicians handle duct systems in offices, retail spaces, warehouses, and other commercial facilities. We use advanced equipment to remove dust, allergens, and buildup that circulate throughout your building. Cleaner ducts support better airflow, improved HVAC efficiency, and a healthier indoor environment. The result? Cleaner air, more efficient systems, and a more comfortable space for everyone inside. At PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, we work around your schedule to minimize disruptions to your business. Protect your investment. Improve your air. How often should commercial air ducts be cleaned? Most commercial properties should schedule air duct cleaning every 2 to 4 years, or more frequently for high-traffic facilities or buildings with strict air quality requirements. Can commercial air duct cleaning improve HVAC efficiency? Yes. Clean ductwork allows proper airflow, reducing strain on HVAC equipment and improving system performance. Does air duct cleaning help reduce operating costs? Yes. Improved efficiency often results in lower energy consumption and reduced HVAC maintenance expenses. Where is PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 1132 Hamilton St. No. 203 Allentown, Pennsylvania 18101. Our phone number is 610-672-3042. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-allentown/.